Good day, everybody. This is Bobby and Jive. It's time to get going. We're bringing you to Oatman, Arizona today.
สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆวันนี้เราอยู่ที่ Oatman Arizona นะคะเมืองเก่าค่ะ
Oh. Oatman was founded about 1906. By 1931, the area's mines produced over 1.8 million ounces of gold. At this point, you can read beyond if you want to. Just pause and read beyond. Again, this is on the historic Route 66. The Oatman donkey's here.
It's a nice day out here. No, you can cut her.
Outlaw Willie's. The old saddles that were left behind here. Excuse me. The old plow, walk behind plow. Used to drag it with mules or horses. Stone grinder. The old wagon wheels here. Over here we got Jackass Junction. The classy ass Oatman, Arizona. Whorehouse. Not to be thought of as a whorehouse, it's the Ore House, O-R-E. Oatman Hotel in 1902. Sweet Sally's ice cream. Old general store, the old-fashioned washing machine with the wringer on top. Wagons up here, buck wagon. Here's the ice cream shop I was talking about, or Jai was talking about. Closed. Buck-toothed burro. Shooting gallery. Old tractor here. Wow. Note the crank on the front of it. This is how they used to start them. They'd crank that, get it lit up. They'll get through the rock. Ford Motor Company, Detroit, Michigan. Oh, look at this here too. A brake. 3 museum over here.
Yeehaw! How's it going?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Sorry, I just spotted your sign. If you want me to delete
That's
this part.
okay. No, no worries.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, well.
Sorry. You know, the bar is right up here. You can stop and get a cocktail. There we go.
This is the punishment cell, 1897. Look at that bad boy. It would get extremely hot in here standing up only. There's no room to sit down, and it's all iron. I guess if you're a really bad boy, that's where you'd go. Oh wow, it still opens. Right there. Oh, casket. You see these in the movies. I'm going to go in the mine a little ways and get my light in case I can go far enough that okay, well, away we go anyhow. Oh, that's old star drill right there. Believe it or not, I ran that, something like that, when I was 12 years old with my dad back in the mine. It's run by air pressure. That one's a 40-pound. They make them as big as 75-pound, I think. I think that's the biggest one. Imagine going back inside one of these mines like this and working. I can't get enough light on things here without my flashlight on it. Wow. It's not very far back in here, but it would freak some people out to come back in here. I hope you can see it. GoPro is not known for their ability to video in the dark. Little shaft going outside.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
Good Samaritan.
Where are you?
I just went in the mine. I went back in the mine shaft. It gets really dark.
Oh my God.
Keep going. Keep going.
Really? Oh my God. It's dark. Very dark. I cannot see.
I can still see you here, so it's okay.
No.
Yeah, I see you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a great day.
It's so dark, honey.
Yeah, just go on back to the back.
Huh?
That's the end of it back there, so go back to it.
No.
Okay, you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Okay.
I don't want to go.
I understand. Like I said, I said
ในเหมืองนะคะ
a lot of people really do something like that.
เหมืองทองคำเหมืองเก่า โอ้เลือดตื้อVery nice, huh?
Just go back in a ways. See how, turn around, go in. Go in, I'll video you going in. Turn around, go back in there. It gets really dark.
Oh my God.
Keep going, keep going. This is when they used to drop down inside the mine shaft. They'd take the railroad car down with it, and when it gets down there, they'd turn and send it down the tracks. Note the doors that probably froze up, but these doors, yeah, they would swing shut, close it in so it didn't fall out of it. This is pretty cool to me. My dad was into the mining operations when I was young. So by the time I was 12 years old, he used to take me with him. And I would go back inside the mines and work with him. He was a developer, so whenever he'd get it developed, he'd sell it. Go inside the jail.
Where? This
Right here, yeah.
What is
Go
jail?
inside. Okay, I put Jai in jail because she's bad up here.
Oh,
So poor Jai, she's locked in. Being stuck in here for 2 days.
jail.
Yeah, it's iron. Look how thick iron. It's heavy duty steel. And up here it gets in the 100 degrees.
Just stand here?
Yeah, they would have to be, they'd be stuck in there standing up.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
You want to get in jail?
safe. This is an old safe.
What was it?
Well, from the bank. It was a bank safe.
Gold or old?
Old. Old.
What old?
Old. Like you're old.
They have like a
Am I on your video?
You are.
Hi!
And you can look it up.
New Year.
It's Time to Get Going. The number 2. Time to Get Going. Our YouTube.
Nice.
Come over. You come over by him. Just come over by him. Just gonna stay toward the front. How you doing, buddy? Huh? How you doing? That was where a chicken met a donkey. Chicken met a donkey. Okay, how about that one over there on the wall? You can go over by that one. I think that one's probably safe. Yeah, that one's safe. Okay, come over and try again.
Oh my god.
Hello, buddy. Come on, Jai. No, come on. Come on, chicken. Yeah, the chicken didn't like to get by the donkey.
No, go there, honey.
All right. Oh, there's world famous Cactus Joe's Oatman, Arizona with Jai in it. Okay, everybody, we did a tour through the Oatman, Arizona. It's an old historic town on Route 66. Took you into jail, took you in a number of places. Got some pictures of Miss Jai.
Yeah, I was in jail.
Yeah, I put her in jail. She was not behaving, so I put her in jail.
Have to stand.
Yeah, there's no room to do anything but stand up.
So cold too.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed this content. If you'd reach right down to the bottom down here, smash that like and subscribe, we'd certainly appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
Out.
Out.